Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial part 158. In this video tutorial, the tip that I'm going to provide you is when you convert a database managed space DMS to automatic storage, it needs, for that activity of conversion, it needs two extents of free space in the table space. The scripts that I'm using, the data files that I'm using are available free download at db2luwacademy.blogspot.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/db2luwacademy. So this is the problem scenario and the suggestion. The problem scenario is particularly if you want to convert a DMS, like a database managed space, to automatic storage, and in that very specifically, if the DMS space is auto resize enabled and you have set some kind of max size, or you obviously you are exceeding the disk limits or something like that, then the option is obviously for you. You can increase your max size, you can make space available in the disk. So maybe that is also an option, make space available in the disk. And you can increase the max size, extend, resize containers, and all those options are there for you. But apart from that, if you want to convert it to automatic storage and you want to do that conversion, and when you do that conversion, it's kind of maxed out, there is no space available, then you cannot do that. So you need at least two extents of free space in the table space. So for example, if my page size is 8K and extent size is 10, then I need 20 pages, so which is like 160 KB. So I need 160 KB of free pages or free space in the current table space in order to perform the conversion to automatic storage. That is what I'm coming to say here. It may not be so perfect as an estimation or as a calculation that I'm giving you, but definitely sure it expects minimum free space. Mostly I would say I have done most of the test cases and I find that okay, it needs two extents, but I could be wrong there as well. Please post in the comments if you know the exact number, but as far as my analysis goes, it's two extents. Okay, so let's so here we'll demonstrate this with an example. So I have connected to sample database and I'm going to create a DMS table space with extend size 2, auto resize yes, increase size, and max size as 64K. So let me create that table space first. So done. So you can see here the extend size is 2. So if you need two extents, which means 4 pages of 4K is like 16K. So I need 16K. So 64 plus 16 would be 64K plus 16 would be 80. So I need at least 80K because it's so if I fill this table space with data and I want to convert this DMS to managed by database to managed by automatic storage, I have to change my max size to 80K for achieving that, which is what I'm going to demonstrate. So I have created the table space and I'll create the table. I'll create the table. So once I create the table, I'll just run. This is just some run. So I am running 1.sql. The contents of 1.sql is nothing but it's just filling up the records so that it can max out, like. So I'm just going to do that. So once, twice, thrice. Yeah, so I got like full here. Okay, so let us check like if it is full. You can see the total free size, the table space free size KB is 0. Okay, so I'll clear this. So I have cleared that. So now I'll try to just, so without any free space, I'm just trying to convert it to automatic storage. It won't. This was quite surprising for me as well. And as I told you, it needs two extents. So even if I give 76, it won't do. Even if I give 78, it won't do. I have to give 80K as per our two extent calculation. There you go, it works. Okay, so this is the thing. So and we can repeat the same example like with an 8K page size table space, and I will also increase the containers to 3 containers like that. So I'll just create the thing. Okay, and you can see the max size is 576K. Okay, so let's just run that. Okay, so you can see there is one file, there is two file, and there is three file containers, which 24 pages each. Extent size is 6, so which means 2 extents is 12 pages. 12 pages of 8K is 96K. So 576 6K plus 96K should be 672K. Okay, so 672, yeah, 672K. So I'll create the table and I'll fill it up with some data. So that the total is 672K. I'm sorry, they are bursting crackers here. If you are able to hear the sound, it's the sound of crackers. Boom, boom. I think this is going to take a lot of time. Okay, so we have hit the limit. We have maxed out the table space in terms of free space, so we'll just check that. So there is no free space available in the DMS table space. Yes, okay. Let me clear this out. And what I will be doing is I'll be altering it to use like automatic storage, and that particular feature it will not be able to do so because there is no free space available. And even if I give 670, the max size as 670, it was 576, I am giving 670, it is still not possible. It is expecting 672 kilobytes exactly. It is expecting 2 extents of free space, and you can see that it is doing that. So that is the level of accuracy that I have gone. So I think it's pretty much 2 extents. I have tested couple of scenarios, other scenarios with increasing the varying the number of containers, varying the page size, and varying the extent size like that. So it seems to fit in well, the estimation. But definitely if there is something in my calculation, if something is wrong, so please do let me know. But definitely this demonstrates at least that there is a minimum size in terms of free space that it is asking for. So which is important, which is the purpose of the tutorial. Hope that is fulfilled. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/db2lew academy. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, bye bye.